Experiencing sound problems on your LG Ultra Gear can quickly become irritating, especially when videos play without audio or connected speakers fail to work properly. Many users notice missing sound, low volume, or audio devices not being detected even though the display itself works perfectly. Sometimes the monitor shows video normally, yet no sound comes through at all. In many situations, audio issues on LG UltraGear monitors can happen because of output settings, cable connections, or temporary software glitches. Before changing random settings or reconnecting everything repeatedly, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore sound on your LG UltraGear monitor. 1. Increase the volume and check that sound is not muted. 2. Confirm the correct audio output device is selected. 3. Reconnect the HDMI or DisplayPort cable securely. 4. Restart the monitor and the connected device. 5. Play audio again and test the sound output.